how to clear all cookies and cache on Microsoft Edge on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to delete browsing data from Edge on your PC. First, open Microsoft Edge on your Windows 11 PC. From there, click on the three dots at the top right to open the Edge menu. At this point, click on Settings. From there, click on Privacy, Search, and Services from the left side panel. After that, click on Choose What to Clear under the Clear Browsing Data section. In the next step, make sure the time range dropdown at the top is set to all time. From there, check the boxes next to Cookies and Other Site Data and Cached Images and Files. Once done, click on Clear Now to confirm and start the clearing process. Following this, wait for Edge to finish clearing the cache and cookies. This should only take a few seconds. From here, once completed, go back and browse a website to confirm Edge is loading pages fresh, without old cache data. At this stage, if you want to clear this data more quickly next time, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time to open the Clear Browsing Data window directly. Keep in mind, clearing cookies will sign you out of most websites you are logged into, so make sure you have your password saved or noted before clearing, as you will need to log back into your accounts afterward. Finally, reopen Edge and confirm your browsing data has been cleared and the browser is running smoothly. And that's it. If this guide helped you clear all cookies and cache on Microsoft Edge, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.